Hi guys, welcome back to another PowerPoint video that we're doing today, and we are going to discuss how to get index cards into your presentation. It's a really cool video. It's a very cool trick that you can learn and that you can use in your own presentations. So follow along in this tutorial and enjoy the video. So to get your index cards into your presentation, we're going to use simple shapes that we're going to insert into our PowerPoint slide. And you can just head over to the insert tab at the top of your ribbon. And then once you've clicked there, in your illustrations section in your ribbon, you'll find the shapes. So our simple shape that we're going to use is this rectangle with the smooth edges. So you can just draw this anywhere on your page, as you can see here. And now we're just going to expand this. Let me just zoom out a little bit, and then I'm just going to drag this out of our page. So this is quite simple. You can do your barrier wherever you would like. Let's just put it there for now, and let's just get a shape full. So let's do this color, and from here we're going to basically copy this and paste it. I'm just going to just change the shape full before we move this around. So let's just put this one over here. As you can see, basically the same thing, copy and pasting, changing the color of this, and we're dragging it over our section here. So I'll be using just 3 of these for now. You can do much more. You can make the spacing between these sections a lot smaller to get more of your slides into this. But for now, just to explain the example, we're just going to use 3 of these. So for the shapes, going to draw a small rectangle now. You can do this basically for any type of thing. Same story. Going to do my shape, just put it on there, and then copy and pasting this, changing the fill of it so that the color matches, and we're going to just leave that one there. Copy and pasting this again. It's kind of a boring process, but it's quite easy, quite fast, and it will get your presentations looking much better. So once you've done that, and you can see we've got an outline on this, so we're going to select these 2. You select your first, you hold control, and you select your second shape. You're going to right click on this, and we're going to group these shapes. And then we're going to do this for the second one as well, selecting those 2, right click, group, and we are going to group all of these together. So once they're in a group, you can move this, and it moves both of these parts that we've done here. So if you do not group these, it will just move one of your shapes, and that is not exactly what we want. So from here on, we can select our 3 shapes. You can just hold control and select all 3. We're going to right click and go to format object. Once you're there in this section, we are going to head over to the line, and I'm going to click on no line. So there you'll see we've got these smooth edges, and you can't see any boundary lines on any of our shapes. So once you've done that, that's our first step. So let's just, our first slide, let's just insert a text box over here, get some text that actually looks something like you would want. You can type in anything just to get that set out there. So from here, we are going to duplicate our slides. So on the left hand side, we're going to right click, and we're going to say duplicate the slide. You're going to head to your second slide, select your first index, and drag it all over the page like this. Here you can just add some text just to get some context to your slide. You can put in some photos, whatever you would like. You can do this. And from here, we'll just repeat the process of duplicating the slide. This is why I didn't want to make too much indexes. It's very repetitive, this process, but it works really well. So from here, you just drag your second slide over to this side, and you can add some text there again. Thirdly, exactly the same thing. Selecting our third index, dragging it all over our page, and there you have your slide set up. So from here, we can select all of our slides by holding Control and selecting all of them. And then we're going to head over to the transitions section at the top of our ribbon. Once you're there, we're going to use the morph setting. So we're going to click on morph, and there we have it. So there you have it. Here is our presentation. And as you can see, we've done a lot of work here. And now if we move to our next slide, our index card will just slide on over with that morph transition that we've used. Our index cards just keep on sliding over, like you can see here. And this is a great way to get your PowerPoint presentations creative and catch the eyes of the people you are presenting to. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video down below and subscribe to our channel, because we've got a lot of great content coming your way and we are really excited about this. Until next time, cheers.